What's going on, guys? And it's Diamond, and today we're gonna be making some bomb cheese fries. So first off, I'm gonna start off with some Ore-Ida straight cut fries. There's two kinds of these Ore-Ida fries. Some are small and some are like thicker like these. I prefer these better. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put them on a air fryer tray. So after you got them on the tray, you kind of want to just spread them out a little bit. You don't want to make them too clustered up. Just like that's fine. I'm gonna open up the air fryer. We're gonna put it on the second little rack. We're gonna put them in there for about 13 minutes at 400. I'm gonna do 13 minutes. Oops. And then we'll come back when 13 minutes is up. All right, so here's the important part. I wish I had a tripod for this because it is really hot. So after it's done, you wanna go ahead, open it up, take the fries out. And now, before you put your cheese on it, you want to come over and grab a little bit of salt. You can't see it because the flash is on. Grab some salt, sprinkle it all over it. You don't want to use too much because they're already probably pre-salted. Grab a little bit of black pepper. Also put that all over it. Depending on how much black pepper you want, depends on kind of, I guess, the heat, you could say. That's just about fine for me. So the main thing is cheddar, in my opinion. I have to put the camera down. So I don't really have a specific technique on how to do it. Just don't do it too much. I'm gonna drizzle it over it just like this. Probably around 3 handfuls is probably good enough. Sorry for the camera angles. Next would be your mozzarella. I've got to put the camera down. And a couple of handfuls of mozzarella should completely top it off the rest of the way. Then after that, you're gonna put your glove back on. I'm gonna put it back in for 400 for 2 minutes. I find that to be the best spot for right there between gooey cheese and crunchy cheese. So we're gonna do 400 for 2 minutes. And I'll be back when that's done. When it's done cooking the cheese, you want to take it out. Looks real good. So this next part is going to require 2 hands, so I'm going to put the phone down and angle it up, and hopefully that captures it. So basically, what I'm going to do is take a butter knife. I'm going to grab hold of this. Not use too much force. You don't want to spread it out too much. Break it up. Just slide it off. And there you go. You pair that with whatever you want, ketchup, ranch, whatever you want. And it is delicioso. Hope you guys like that. If you try it, let me know what you think about it. I'll see you guys next time.